Hello, welcome to the Vanguard Intellectual Property channel. A channel to talk about intellectual property things. At this post, we will talk about the copyrights. And when we talk about copyrights, we need to talk about the Berne Convention. What's the Berne Convention? The Berne Convention is a treaty to protect the authors, like its first article. The countries applies Constitution of Union for the protection of the rights of the authors in their literary and artistic works. The Berne Convention protects the literary works and protects the artistic works. And what are the countries that take part of the Berne Convention? Almost countries in the world. The blue countries, including United States, Europe, the countries of Europe, Asia, South America, Brazil, my country, and other countries. The Berne Convention is administered by the World Intellectual Property Organization. The World Intellectual Property Organization is a United Nations entity. And you have more information about the Berne Convention at the World Intellectual Property Organization webpage or in this link. Remember, the Berne Convention only protects the authors. The Berne Convention doesn't protect the related rights. Then we have a question. How do we protect the related rights? There are other international treaties to protect the related rights, like the Rome Convention. The Rome Convention is a convention for protection of the performers, producers of phonograms and broadcasting organization. But the Rome Convention has a problem. Many countries in the world, including the United States, are not joined to it. Then we have a half countries in the world joined to the Berne Convention in May 2021. At the same situation, you can see more information about the Rome Convention in the World Intellectual Property Organization webpage. We have another treaty that talk about protection of copyright and related rights, the TRIPS Agreement. The TRIPS Agreement, in its Article 14, talks about the protection of performers, producers, and broadcasting organizations. Remember, the TRIPS Agreement is not administered by the World Intellectual Property Organization. The TRIPS Agreement is administered by the World Trade Organization. Is another agency. And what countries take part of the TRIPS Agreement? Almost countries in the world, including the United States, Europe, Asia, many countries of Africa and Oceania. You can also see the contract parts of the TRIPS Agreement at the World Trade Organization webpage. And you can see more information about this agreement at the webpage of the World Trade Organization. We are glad to see you and we are waiting for you in our next post. Goodbye.